Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open savings account online Wells Fargo, and the process is actually very easy. At first you head over to Google and search for Wells Fargo savings account and then click on the first link that comes up, which should be something like this. And what you're going to do is you can see that they have all of these agent ID requirements that you can check out. But if you want to open it directly, click on open now, and as you can see, once it has loaded up, you can say that the first step is telling about yourself, customizing your account, and then make your opening deposit. So what are the things that you need is your social security number or ITIN, your valid ID, which could be a driver's license, state ID, or matricular card, and then you need a $25 opening deposit online. So now basically what we're going to do is it's going to ask us if it's an individual or joint. Let's say it's an individual. It's asking if you are a Wells Fargo. So if you are one, you're going to click on yes. If you're no, you're going to click on no. And then we're going to click on continue. From there it says that we're processing your request. Now all you need to do is put up your first name, middle name, last name, and then how you want your taxpayer ID to be. Is it your social security or ITIN? So choose whichever one you want to provide, your date of birth, citizenship, email address, all these kinds of things, and click on this and then click on continue. After that, they'll give you a few options to choose from. Choose that and then give you all the review and then agree to the terms and then check on funding, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.